Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Now, I came out to the garage to move this car around a little bit, and I noticed that this tire has gone flat. So whether it's just from seasonal temperature fluctuation or maybe this tire has an air leak, who knows? But I do need to put air in this tire. Now, I can go ahead and run over and get my air compressor line, drag it over here across the shop, put air in this tire and be done with it. But I decided to ask my sponsor about their smart air pump. Now, this is a battery operated dual stage pump, which I will do an unboxing on here shortly. But what I'm going to do is just unbox this, charge it up, and then bring it out here, check the pressure, and then see how long it takes to charge up this tire. Now, I will run this down to 0 pounds and then do a test to see how long it takes to bring this up from a totally flat situation. But first, let's go do the unboxing. All right, so let's go and unbox this. Now, my box did suffer a little bit of damage in shipping, but I don't think it's a problem. Here we go. Got the instructions. Let's see here. We've got, looks like a carrying bag. We've got a 12-volt DC adapter, probably for running the pump directly off a battery. USB-C charging cable. We've got an assortment of nozzles for filling up various air valves. We've got a filler hose. And here's the unit. Let's take a quick look here. Yeah, feels pretty nice. Let's get this screen wrap off of this thing. Oh yeah, look at that. Nice. Cool. So there is a little LED light here, and of course there's the two power ports, and then this is for the air pump hose, I guess. Let's go ahead and turn it on. Okay, 3 seconds to turn on. Now it looks like we've got two different pressure readings. Let's see here. So, okay, so this is the target, and this is the current pressure reading by the hose. Obviously I don't have it hooked up to anything, so it says 0 right now, but let's see here. There's a little car symbol. Okay, looks like there's multiple presets you can choose from. So you can actually preset this for up to, I believe, 5 settings. That's pretty cool. Let's see what the light looks like. Oh yeah, a little light. Pretty nice. It's got a little strobe. Cool. All right, well, let me get the hose hooked up, and I'll take it outside, and we'll start testing out how long it takes to fill up that tire. So one thing I forgot to mention is that this can actually also act as a power supply for a device. So if you plug this in, and I've got this plugged into my phone, and you press and hold the power for 3 seconds, it then allows power to go to the device you've plugged in. So I'm currently charging my phone using this power pack. So it is a device charging as well. All right, so I've gone ahead and connected the pump to the valve stem here. It is a threaded connection, so it just screws on tightly. And if we check the pressure, we notice that the tire is indeed flat. It's got 0 pounds. So I've adjusted the screen to say 29 pounds here. This is what my preset is. And all we need to do is press the little circle symbol here, and it'll start the pump. So I'm going to set up the pump, and I'm going to set up a camera, and we'll just time how long it takes to fill up this tire. Now this is a 008, it's a 165/70/10 tire, so we'll just see how long it takes to fill this up. All right, here we go. And there we go. The pump shut off automatically at about 29 pounds. And I have a timer running. It was about 4 minutes total to refill that tire. That's pretty good. So it's been about 20 minutes, and I decided to do a quick pressure test using this other digital tire pressure gauge that I have. Now, I don't know how accurate this is, but I didn't want to just use the Auxito pump to tell me the pressures. I wanted something different to compare it to, so I used this one. But taking a look at the numbers, this is the one I did first. So we're looking at the, like this. So this is the left rear on this Cooper S. And I just went around and did all these tires on this car first, and then I came back and did these. And there's roughly a half a pound, maybe 1 pound difference across all these tire pressures. This one here was the last tire I filled, and this might be a little low just because by the time I got to this tire, the pump was warm, the hose was warm, so it was actually putting in hot air into this tire. So maybe by the time it cooled down, it lost about a pound overall. I don't know. But either way, this is the numbers I got. So If you need something more precise than this, you probably have to do one tire at a time and let the pump cool off in between tires. But honestly, I don't think this is a problem. And in fact, I don't think I've ever tested all 8 tires on 2 cars in this garage at once, just because it's a nuisance to run the hose around and check them all. Whereas I just ran around, did all these tires with the Auxito unit. So that was really good. But anyway, those are the results. So I figured I'd share them before I finish up this episode. So another tire that I thought I'd fill up is this bike tire. And on this unit, there are 2 bicycle presets. And if we go through the presets here, the first one, you are limited to 55 PSI. However, the second bicycle tire preset, you can go all the way up to the limit of 150 PSI. So for this bicycle, I think I'm just going to go to about 90. And we'll go ahead and let it run. Now, it's currently at 55 pounds, so it's going to take a little while to fill it up, but let's go ahead and run it. And there we have it. 90 pounds. It went a little over, 92, but that's okay. This tire can handle up to 100 something pounds, so I'm well below the limit on this tire. So I do want to point out that they have adapters for both the Presta and Schrader valve design valve stems for road bikes and mountain bikes. So they have both tire filling options for you on this kit. But that was pretty easy, a lot easier than using an actual hand pump. I think I'm just going to use this from now on because this is way easier to use than any hand pump I've ever used before. Also, it's nice that it just shuts off at your preset pressure. You don't have to think about it. Just let it run. So there you have it. The Auxito Smart Tire Pump did a great job filling up this tire. It took less than 4 minutes total to take this tire from 0 to 30 pounds. And I think it did a great job. And there's plenty of battery life left in this unit, so I could easily do this whole set of tires on one charge, no problem. So another great product from Auxito. I'll have links in the description below for this, as well as a link to use a referral code so that you can support my channel if you do buy one of these units. So appreciate everyone who watched. Thanks to Auxito for sending me this unit. Hopefully you guys appreciated this episode. If you did, let me know in the comments below. And as always, thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.